everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Today I have a 12 by 16 canvas prepared on the back like I normally do with push pins and my tape. And I think I'm going to just do a simple flip and drag on these with this canvas. And first of all, I think I will put some white paint in the corners to help the paint move. Okay, today I'm going with more of a soft palette. My white is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. Then I'm going with Artist Select, which is kind of a local company, and it's Cadmium Red Medium Hue. And the next is a mixture of Amsterdam Acrylic Carmine. And then I picked up some new paint from Amsterdam, and it's actually called Pearl Red. So I mixed mostly this Pearl Red and then a little bit of the Carmine together to get this very pinky color. My next color is Amsterdam Ultramarine Violet. And I have added some white to that also to lighten it up a little bit. My next color is Blick Deep Violet. And my last color is Reeves Silver. And also in my Blick's Deep Violet, I've added a little bit of dark purple pigment to it. And the consistency of the paints today, more on the thin side. Doesn't really leave a mound. Okay. And I am going to be trying out a new silicone that I got called Mont Marte. I want to see how that reacts. So what I'm going to do is I think I'll put between 2 and 3 drops in each of my colors, but not the white. Okay, I put 2 basically in each color, and I'll stir those up. I just had a little bit of the silver left, so I thought I would use it up. Okay, I'm going to be using 2 cups today, just layering the paints. We'll start with the white. In this cup, I'll put the cadmium red. Maybe I'll just switch up the colors cup to cup, see how that goes. And I'll put the violet in this cup. Put the pink in here. Silver. white again. The light purple in here. And also I'll put the light purple in this one. Put the red in now. Put the silver in this one. The pink. I'll put the light purple. And I'll put the dark purple. Put the rest of the silver in here. Maybe I'll divide it up again. Let's put a little more white. And let's try some red. Let's go with the dark purple. And the light purple. And the pink. And I will finish up my white. Okay. If you hear funny noises, that's my golden retriever. She's sleeping under the table. She's a pretty old girl and she sleeps quite a bit of the day these days. Okay. Gonna do the flip. Let it sit there a little bit. And I think I'm just going to drag it for now. I'm not going to try and lip it. I'll just drag it and see what we get. Got plenty of paint. I'll probably be pouring a lot of this off. And I don't think I'm going to torch it because, as you can see, I have a lot of cell action going on here. I'm going to bring back the red back into the center there a little bit. Take a look at it here for a minute. Check my corners. I'm just going to tip it a little bit more this way. Bring it back. And I'm going to torch it. Just trying to get some of the bigger cells to fill in with littler cells if I can do that. I just think it looks a little nicer instead of having just plain spots, to have areas that have cells in them. As you can see, this Mont Marte Silicone Oil is very, very active, with only putting 2 drops in each color. Okay, clean the bottom off. And again, this is just called a simple flip and drag. Dirty cup, flip and drag. Dirty cup meaning you mix the paints in 1 cup before putting them on the canvas. Just tons and tons of cell action here going on. And more may come out. What I'm curious about here is, in this area, I have actually some, looks like light green coming up. Just a little bit here and there in that cell. But I will bring you down for a close-up now. Okay, let's start up here at the upper left-hand corner. These cells are just also very different. Cells within cells. Look at the white. All the white is in the background there with that red. Here's some purple with the white in the background. Here's some of that greenish shade I was talking about. Some different little cells there. Purple with that green around them. And here's the upper right hand corner. And the bottom right hand corner. Okay, everybody, let me know what you think of this video and of this painting. Subscribe if you haven't. Share. Ring the bell so you're notified the next time that I do post a video. And under the bell there's a pull down menu, and you want to push the all selection instead of the none or the personal, I think it's called. So push the all, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. And give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. And until next time, take care, everybody. Bye.